Hello guys, here we have a problem from numerical analysis. The problem reads like this: the value of the integral 0 to 8 1 by x square plus 5 dx evaluated e miss हो गया है evaluated using Simpson's 1/3 rule with h equals to 2 is. So how can you do this problem? So first of all, Simpson's 1/3 rule, you know what is Simpson's 1/3 rule? Integration fx dx, let's say. Okay, if you calculate the integration from a to b, you will get h by 3 y0 plus yn plus 4 into odd terms y1 y3 y5 so on plus 2 into even terms y2 y4 and so on. This is the Simpson's 1/3 rule. So for the present case, what we have to do, this a is 0, b is 8. So let's make the table. The table will look like this. थोड़ा सा और बड़ा करते हैं इसको. And the value is to be evaluated with an interval h equals to 2. Okay. So you will get something like this. This is x and f of x. F of x is equals to 1 by x square plus 5. So you have to start with 0. You have to go 8. And the step size is 2. Means x0 will be 0. X1 will be 2. X2 will be 4. X3 will be 6. And x4 will be 8. So these many values you have to consider. So if you take x equals to 0 and if fx is given to 1 by x square plus 5. So this will become 1 by 5. This becomes y0. y1 becomes, by putting x equals to x1, means 1 by 2 square plus 5, 1 by 9, 1 by 4 square plus 5, y2, 1 by 21, y3, 1 by 6 square plus 5, 1 by 41, y4, 1 by 8 square plus 5, means 1 by 69. So we got these things. Now we can utilize the Simpson's 1/3 rule. So 0 to 8 dx by x square plus 5. What will be its value? The formula is h by 3. H is equals to, given to you, h by 3. Here y0 plus y4, yn is y4, and plus 4 times odd terms y1 plus y3, 2 times even term y2 is the even term. So h equals to 2 given to you, y0 is 1 by 5, y4 1 by 69, plus 4 times y1 is 1 by 9, y3 is 1 by 41, plus 2 times y2 is 1 by 21. So if you calculate using a calculator, you will get approximately 0.565 approximately, and it is matching with option A. Option A is the correct option for this question. So I hope you have got some benefits from this problem. And if you have any question, you can let me know in the comment section. And thank you very much for watching this video. Bye bye. Take care.
Unacademy is India's largest online teaching learning platform. You can prepare for various competitive exams like CSR, NET, GATE, JEST, IIT JAM, TFR. Especially if you are preparing for CSR NET Physical Science, you can join me on Unacademy Plus. I cover all the 9 units of CSR NET Physical Science syllabus. My approach is especially, I precisely give you the concept of the concerned topic. Then I discuss the relevant mathematical formula and do the analysis. Relevant problem based on the topic, including previous year questions, are discussed. Homework and assignments are also given. This is my profile, and if you want to join my Unacademy Plus courses, you can enroll for this course. And if you are new to this Unacademy platform, you can take Unacademy Plus subscription using our referral code PHYSICSHUB, and Unacademy will give you 10% off. So take the Unacademy Plus subscription today and put your feet one step ahead towards reaching your goal. Thank you.